Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 20 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's enter the display option. Here we have to find the sleep, which is, or maybe not sleep, it is screen timeout. As you can see, this is the name of the screen timeout itself. So let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. We can pick from rather short options, so for example the 15 seconds, 30 seconds and 1 minute, and much longer like 2, 5, 10, 30 minutes, or even never, which is currently set. So I will pick, for example, 10 minutes. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and as you can see we will immediately go back and it is notified right here that after 5 minutes of inactivity this device will simply black out. So basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your ZTE Axon 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.